To pay with PayPal on Ticketmaster. Follow these simple steps. First, create a Ticketmaster account or log in to your existing account. This will allow you to access the ticket purchasing system and ultimately use PayPal as your payment method. Once you are logged in, search for the event you want to buy tickets for and select the tickets you wish to purchase. After selecting your tickets, proceed to the checkout page where you will be asked to review your order and choose your payment method. On the payment screen, you will see various payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal. Select PayPal as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the PayPal login page where you will enter your PayPal email address and password to log in to your PayPal account. After logging into your PayPal account, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct, including the amount and the seller. If all the information is accurate, confirm the payment. You will then be redirected back to the Ticketmaster website where you will see a confirmation of your ticket purchase. It is essential to note that you must have a verified PayPal account to use it on Ticketmaster. Additionally, ensure that your PayPal account has sufficient funds to cover the cost of the tickets. If your PayPal account is linked to a credit or debit card, make sure the card is valid and has sufficient funds. Using PayPal to buy tickets on Ticketmaster offers several benefits, including convenience, security, and flexibility. PayPal protects your financial information, and you do not have to enter your credit card details on the Ticketmaster website. Furthermore, if you have a problem with your ticket purchase, PayPal's buyer protection policy may help resolve the issue. In summary, paying with PayPal on Ticketmaster is a straightforward process. Simply log into your Ticketmaster account, select the tickets you want to purchase, choose PayPal as your payment method, log into your PayPal account, and confirm the payment. By following these steps and using PayPal to buy tickets on Ticketmaster, you can enjoy a secure and convenient ticket purchasing experience.